Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix your game chat and voice chat for PS4. So first let's get started. So if you guys are in a party, in your PS4 party, and you're wondering why you cannot hear the game chat, it's because your chat audio is probably set to prioritize party chat, and what this does is that you can only hear the people from the people in your party. So you're basically only going to be able to hear your friends. So if you want to change that, you simply hit on it and you simply hit prioritize game chat. But once you do this, you will not be able to hear the people from your party. So you're not going to be able to hear your friends, but you're going to be able to hear the people from the game chat. And yeah, so that was the first method / fix. So the second method you guys can do is simply go to settings. You're going to go to sound and screen. You're going to just make sure everything is just good. Nothing is messed up. Go to audio output settings. Just maybe just copy everything I have. Just make sure nothing is messed up. And then the second place you're gonna go is you're gonna go to devices. You're gonna go to audio devices, and then now from the input device, you should have the output / input. It should technically be the same thing. It should be like a headset or whatever. So if you do not see the name of your headset over here, that means it's not connected. So that is probably why your voice chat / party whatever chat is just messed up and is not working. And yeah, so now the third method you guys can do is simply on your controller, make sure wherever you usually connect your headset is most likely going to be in this box right here / circle. Make sure it's fully connected, and make sure the cord isn't broken or something. Make sure it's fully pushed in. So yeah, just make sure to do that. And once you do all of these things, the final thing you guys can do is simply just turn off your PS4 and then wait a couple of minutes and then turn it back on and then check to see if that fixed. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.